Welcome to a Christmas edition of Cooking with Clive. I'll get rid of this camera. So today we're going to do a dark chocolate mint brownie. 4 beaten eggs, 200 grams of butter, 250 grams of dark mint chocolate, 1 Aero broken up, mint Aero, 175 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of soft brown sugar, 115 grams of plain flour. Right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take your chocolate and your butter cubes and you're going to melt these. So a pan of simmering water, not boiling, and you place your bowl on top of that. It's very important that the bowl doesn't actually touch the water because it will make it too hot and burn your chocolate. So that's just going to sit there, and then we're going to pop the butter in on top. And now, a few minutes, just give it a stir, let it melt down. Right, so here we go, we're nearly there. As you can see, it's all melted down, nice and smooth and silky. Pretty much ready for the next stage. Right, so it's melted down. I've been giving it a quick whisk with the bloom whisk for a few minutes just to cool it off. And now we're going to add in white sugar and the brown sugar. Right, sugar's all whisked in there nicely. Next thing we're going to add in now is the beaten egg. Next step, everything is in there nice and smooth. Flour, sieve. Big flour into your sieve. Okay, so now all mixed in nicely into your tray. Approximately 30 by 23 centimetres. It doesn't have to be exact, but that's sort of the rough size of dish you're going to need. The oven, 170 degrees, about 30 minutes, 25 minutes, all ovens vary, so you need to keep an eye on it. It needs to be a little bit under than an over. Halfway through, take it out, get your bits of Aero, and throw them in. Go. 1 chocolate mint brownie. Let it cool down for a good half hour, an hour, and just cut it into your portions. Job done. And there you have it, some chocolate mint brownies.